Hey guys, and welcome to Monster Legend, the 6th episode. And I was recording and it was over 15 minutes. I wasn't watching, so I will do everything all over again. I got this guy, I did it, and then I got enough gems to buy this OP girl right here. Hello, narrator. You want to see her in Battle? I will show you in Battle. She's just so freaking OP. Freaking OP. Okay, I'm changing. You'll see, she's so freaking OP. Nades, see? And the others just do like this damage, but she does so much. And look at this. Heals health and powers up you. OP, right? Second. Oh, come on, man. That's okay, she will finish them off. At least one off. Seriously. One class. And finish her off with a P. Okay, what will we get? Nice. Oh, and I also was breathing and I wanted to get pet again and I got him. I'll land, don't look adding you to the team, but I will. Nice. Okay, how much? 14, one more. One more. Let's look at the goals. Upgrade the nature habitat. Let's upgrade instead. Level 12. Yeah. Finally, what we can get. But we have like no space. And to expand we need 500. Oh, 400,000. Nice. Okay. Can we get the tower now? Yep, we can. Can I put you here because I need space on that island? Yes, I can. And I can finish you. So yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna get up to level 7. I don't know why, and I can't. Let's look at more. It's on her. Nice. Where's Hannah? I could have gotten him. I'm so mad. Okay, whatever. But still, she's OP and level 15, so it's not too bad. Oh yeah, and we finished the boss and got to this island here. With my OPT. You're down. Blech. That was disgusting. Let's finish him off with Nappy. So weird names for these moves. Oh, come on. Cyclone Claws. Night. And Aria. Watch this. And 50 S3. Cyclone Claws. You're even weaker. Okay, charge. Finish him off with Nappy. Looks like she's like Spider Girl. Yeah, she shot like the whip shot from Spider-Man. Okay, no more. Get that. I need one freaking more. Nope. How much? Yep, I need one more. Whoa. Work with for a sec. Okay, level 7. And I need each levels. You're also. I don't know why. Fed you till level 7. Oh, to get even better monsters. Maybe. So weird. The dungeon stuff. I did that. Calendar also. Cool. Okay, so yeah, I'll wait for a sec. Nothing. Okay, I will be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. So, yeah. Hey guys, come on. I want to show you something.
What?
Come and look at it. This.
What?
I got it from this pack. I'll show you. It was in this.
Level
No.
15?
It was
Oh,
in
guys.
this, I think. Yep.
Whoa.
For 55.
And you got lots of money.
And she's so freaking OP.
Well,
Okay, how long? 3 minutes. Let's collect. Collect because I need one more. And where the heck is it? Only that. Civilizations. Oh yeah, I can fight here. I forgot. I can't. No, I need one freaking more. And I can't do it because it's the time's fucking. Oh, let's visit Pendle. Friend. What is it? Okay. And I want to see his monsters. They're so awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. You got yourself. Weird. Dave, Sea Lion, and everyone's here. And he's got level 34. Let's return home. Okay, so I can get my gem now. Okay, I got it. And can I get it? Nope. Okay, you'll see now her in Belle. Come here. Hey guys. Come here. You too. Come here. Come here. Oh. Look. You'll see. Nice. See how much. And you will see how much they will do. Salty roots. Watch. They do that much, and she does so much. Oh, come on. Let's finish it out. Nades. Come on, seriously. Finish him. Nades. And finish him off. Yeah. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video, and remember to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.